What's going on, guys? So just took the Z and I made it over to Performance Driven in Georgia, and the Z is about to get its first dyno tune. So I'm pretty excited. They're hooking it up right now. Nervous wreck, but should be a pretty good time. We're gonna be doing a 93 tune, and then we're also gonna be doing an E85 tune. So, and that's if there's no problem. So hopefully nothing goes wrong and it's a cool day. Oh, also, I had to pull the car from the body shop because they weren't done painting the wide body yet. They've been super busy, but I asked them for a favor to see if I could pull the car from the shop so I can make it to the dyno tune. So shout out to Paint Pros for being so cool, last minute situations, and letting me pick up the car without giving me any problems.
I know what it is. Go on there, first.
Probably what happened on that first row.
Alright.
And 349.
Yeah.
Well, boost? 6 pounds stock.
So you put like boost kits in. Probably got like every bolt on in the book, right?
Nah, there's still a lot I could get.
What do you not have done?
I don't have all the Ashbeck 2.8 intercooler set up. I don't have a bigger manifold, so stock turbo manifolds, and I only have 2.5-inch downplates. So I need like a whole 3-inch exhaust, the intercooler piping. Yeah. So we just got finished doing 3 pulls. And she made 389, 392 on the last pull at 16 psi. So we're gonna stop there on the pump gas 93, and we're about to drain the tank, put some E85, and see what numbers we can get from there. Yeah, it sounded great. Everything was looking great. I'm happy with it, and hopefully in the near future I can get more breather mods, you know, the bigger intercoolers, things like that. Ashbeck just came out with a new style plenum, some throttle bodies, you know, get some more power out of it. But I'm pretty happy with that, because before this I was always on 12 psi and I was probably making like garbage power. So just got done doing the E85 pulls, did 4 pulls, did 4 pulls. The top numbers were 472, I believe it was. 472. I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. So, you know, that's, I think it was 21 PSI on the Sport 700 Turbo, so pretty happy with that. And yeah, that's about it. Actually, so I got some of the pulls recorded. The one that made the 470 for some reason didn't record on the camera. Pretty bummed about that, but I got the other runs recorded. So there you go. They're getting the car off the dyno now, and I'm gonna speak with the tuner. We're gonna set up some things real quick, just technical BS. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back sometime next year with some more breather mods. I'm trying to hit, well, I gotta see how I like this power right now. But maybe 600 on E85, I'd be completely happy.
What are you doing, brother?
Alright, so we just got done with the E85 tune. She made 470 horsepower to the wheels, and we're gonna take it down the road, see how it feels. I'm stoked.
Yeah, it's just gonna blow the tires off first and just go second and spool into it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let first go. Yeah, I'm going
He's
left.
gonna get a video.
I'm gonna let left go first. Yeah, we're good here.
Police station down the way.
I know. Very good. That feels pretty damn good. Woo!
Okay, you up here and spool up in second. Man, you puckering over there, ain't you?
I like it though. It's a damn good feeling.
You've been waiting for that a long time, haven't you?
easily twice as fast right now.
You think so?
I think so.
Bro, this
She
thing
was,
is freaking moving.
she was only running on the 12 pounds, and it wasn't even a proper 12 pounds. It was just a bass tune. Oh, she is ripping now. I could just feel the difference. I don't want to go too down the road because you said there's that station.
Yeah, you should. She was going a little more ripping, brother. That second and third is really, that's about it.
Yeah. Let's take it right here.
You already know he's going to take a ride in it. I don't want to beat on too much, but he's got it on pretty safe tune, though.
Yeah. It's pretty safe right now. Just hitting 20 PSI. These turbos could do more. The fuel injectors could do more on the duty cycle. But conservative, you know, I got more mods coming. I don't want to blow anything, damage anything.
That second gear is where it comes to life.
Yes. This guy's like, what the fuck is going on, man? You're on the wrong side of the road.
How's your temps looking? Good?
Temps are solid. Just staying right at the middle. Oil pressure's good. Oil temps actually surprisingly good. These things are known to run hot. She's running decent right now. I wonder how good the footage he got came out.
Oh, you're going to want to keep those.
Yeah, but like, send me those, man. Just pull all the way in?
Yeah.
All right.
Feel good?
Yeah.
You feel good. Boy, your heart's going to beat so fast right
Woo! Thanks a lot, man.
now. No problem, dude.